shit. Almost fell. They just cleared this out. Nope. Not gonna see the sign. Look at this guy. It's like very cool, isn't it? They cleared this place out too. You don't know already. I'm actually riding on a bike. So, yeah. Very nice fish, huh? Damn. To be honest, no, I'm not getting it right now. Just got home. I was talking with my mom. You know how moms are. Hey, sweetie, I'm gonna be down in like 1 minute. So just like wait outside. 2 hours later. Okay, sweetie, I'm still not done yet. I gotta buy some shoes. You know, they're on sale, half price. Me, god damn it. 30 more minutes. Okay, so we're finally going home right now. I don't know, it's almost 6 o'clock. Yeah. Nah. The only reason why I'm riding my bike home, Maya, let's tie my bike up. Damn cars, I swear to God. Yeah, I tie my bike up at the bike sign every day at 5 o'clock in the morning. It's a pain in the ass. But, hey, we're almost home. I think probably end the video when I enter the house. I don't know. It's a pretty nice place. I don't know it's really half of it. Sitting on this car's coming both ways. Yeah, I know. Shit, almost fell on that one too. Stop. And there comes a bus. I don't know how this is going to work. Somehow I made it alive. Yeah, I guess other high schoolers like me, it's just getting out of school, made me, I don't know, cape. Whatever. Actually, you're not really supposed to do that. I just did. But who really cares? It's a pretty nice place. Like, you live on a dirt road, and not many crimes or anything like that. The only thing we actually got to worry about is forest fires. That's about it. Yeah. Anyway, here we are. Beautiful house. Camry is mine. Yeah, I drive it. But I don't know, I just decided to ride my bike to school. Not to school, but to the bus stop. But, I don't know. So they drive a truck too, but not often. Car kind of scares me. Anyway, but home. Shit. How many times am I actually gonna almost fall today? I don't know. Still time, I think. Okay. I don't know. I guess I'm just getting the freaking mail. That's what I do every day. Get home. Alright guys, I'm sorry about being this boring. Like usually I just record gameplays of Skyrim. I'll probably try to do that this weekend. But I just decided to record. I don't know why. It's just for the heck of it. No, I talk too much, but oh well. What do we have? Yeah, bunch of junk. Guys, since today is Wednesday, I used to go down to McDonald's, get, I don't know, there's like some kind of sandwich that's like, buy one and get a penny free. So, I suggest you do that if you haven't already. Because basically that's where we actually came from, McDonald's and some shopping mall, I don't know. It's really boring, shopping with your mom. Pain in the ass too. Yeah, 2.5 acres. It's a lot. But it's mostly palmettos. How is that? Yeah. Just see nothing. Yeah, the wood. Yeah, for some reason I gotta make osprey nest. I don't know why. I think it's community service. Yeah. Shouldn't be that bad. I don't know, maybe I'll do it this week. Nah. Anyway guys, I don't know if you guys are actually gonna enjoy this video. To me, I think it's kind of boring, but what else? You know what I just realized? These garbage cans do not go on the side of the damn house. God damn. Yeah, let's bring them back to the fence. There you go. On the inside of the fence. Yard work, sticks, tomatoes, whatever. Yeah, maybe I'll record when I'm at like school. I don't know. Maybe more blocks are like flipped. So instead of like 1, 3, 5, 7, it's gonna be 7, 5, 3, 1. First period is gonna be like 2 hours and 40 minutes. It's a pain. And yeah, anyway, I'm ending the video here. Okay, see you guys later.